The first DIY, you'll need some paper mache cones. You can find these really cheap at Hobby Lobby, along with some chunky yarn. Just start putting the hot glue around the cone and applying your yarn in a circular motion. I did about 5 to 6 rows per section. Just make sure you try and start each section on the same side so that side faces the back. These are so expensive in stores, and I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Next up, you'll be using that same chunky yarn and a tinsel tree from the Dollar Tree. Just start by unraveling the tinsel and applying hot glue to the edges as you wrap your yarn. This one is a little tricky because the surface is not enclosed like the paper mache cones, but you can adjust at the end by putting your hand through the bottom and adding more yarn as needed. Next is this Pottery Barn inspired candy cane pillow. You'll need your chunky yarn along with a candy cane wreath form that you can find at the Dollar Tree. This was the easiest to work with because you just need a little glue as you wrap your yarn around the wreath. And of course, you only want to use this for decoration purposes only. But I absolutely love the way this turned out as well. The last DIY, you'll need a pool noodle, wrapping paper, cellophane wrap, and some pipe cleaners. You're going to start by cutting your pool noodle down to your desired size. Cut your wrapping paper and cellophane wrap a little longer. Tape your wrapping paper first, and then you want to apply your cellophane wrap. Use your pipe cleaners to tie the ends to make it look like candy. This DIY was also super easy, and I did make several different sizes because I will be adding these to my Christmas tree. So let me know down in the comments below which DIY was your favorite. I think I would have to go with the Pottery Barn inspired pillow. I will have all items used in this video listed in the description box below. That is it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.